In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a bubble from a thumbs up icon using Adobe After Effects. For this project, I have prepared a background and a thumbs up icon that I downloaded from freepik.com. The first step is to create a new solid layer. Name the layer, and I will use black for the solid layer. Next, go to the Effects and Preset section. Search for CC Particle World and add it to the particle layer. Hide the thumbs up icon composition. That is the default view of CC Particle World. Expand the particle section. In Particle Type, select Texture Disk. Then expand the texture section. In Textured Layer, change it to the thumbs up icon layer. Change the color in birth and death color to white so that the icon image matches its base color. In size variation, I changed it to 65%. Change max opacity to 100%. In Opacity Map, you can change the curve chart as I did so that the icon will fade before disappearing. Next, expand the producer section. Change the radius X, Y, and Z values. You can adjust them as needed. After that, expand physics. Change the velocity value to 0. And to make the bubble icon appear from bottom to top, change the gravity value to negative. Then change the birth rate value to 1 or adjust it as needed. If you want to enlarge the icon, add a value to the birth size setting. And change the death size value if you want to shrink the icon before it disappears. After making these adjustments, the result will look like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.